Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to put together this amazing gizdodo recipe. This is just a combination of plantain, peppers and gizzard, which tastes super yummy and amazing. To begin, I'll add my already cleaned gizzard to a pot, add in some chopped up onion, some white pepper. White pepper is a game changer in dishes. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I use white pepper lately to cook. Then I'm going to add in some curry powder, some dried thyme, some salt and some stock cubes. I'm going to give this a gentle stir, then I'm going to place it on the heat to start cooking. I added in a bit of water so that it does not burn, not too much water to water down the taste. So I'm going to place that on the heat to start cooking. While that is cooking, I'm going to start prepping the rest of the ingredients, which is the plantain. For the plantain, I'm just going to take it out of the skin. You are wondering why my plantain is looking black. That's because I washed it and I took time before I came to cut it. So that's a new fact I realized about plantain. When you wash the back, it changes color if you leave it for a while. So I'm just going to cut it into cubes just like this. Then I'm just going to set that aside for use later. If you are new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, please do want to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks a lot. You can also leave me a comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Now the plantains are ready and they are ready to be fried. Now I'll check on the gizzard, and the gizzard is already almost cooked. I'm just going to check on it. Then I noticed that it just remains a little bit. Then I gave it like 3 minutes to cook and it was ready. So once that is ready, the food is coming together. I'm just going to add in some oil into a pan. Don't look at the oil that is having some dark dots in it. That's because I made gizdodo the previous day and that was my first time making it and it tasted really amazing. So I thought to repeat the process again today. So that's why you are seeing those dark dots. That is from the plantain and the gizzard of the previous time. So I'm going to begin by frying the gizzard first. Then I'm just going to fry it, not to be crunchy but just a bit brown. So once it's brown enough, I'll take it off the heat. Then I'll start frying the plantains. The plantains as well, you can choose to use very ripe plantains or partially ripe plantain for it, whatever you want to do, but I love my plantains very ripe. Once the plantain is frying, I'm just going to begin cutting the gizzard into tiny bits because it's quite big like this. Like, I just want to cut it into tiniest bits. Like, one gizzard will cut into three tiny chunks. Yeah, that's what I want. So at this point, I'm going to check on the plantain, and you can see that the plantain is ready. I'm going to scoop it out of the oil and save it for use later. So I'm going to continue with the gizzard after this so that I can finish up on time, so that everything will be ready to go in and incorporate with each other. This is the tomato and pepper combination which I'll be using for this recipe. And this frozen one you're looking at in this plastic was the one I used from the previous day, which was still remaining. So I will begin from that one. For that beautiful color, I'm going to be using a combination of red bell peppers, green onion and some red bell peppers. So that is a perfect combination for this, as it also flavors the dish. So you can pretty much use any other vegetables of your choice, but I just prefer to keep it simple with these 3 vegetables. So I'm just going to chop that into tiny bits so that it can be popping red and green when someone is eating. Now into that same pan which I used to fry the plantain and the gizzard, I'm going to add in the frozen peppers. Then I'm going to begin to melt, like till it melts completely. This did not take any time. In like 1 minute and 30 seconds it melted. So I'm just going to continue frying this, not till the oil floats to the top, for like 5 minutes before I go in with some seasoning. And for the seasoning, I just went in very light with some white pepper as usual. Guys, I'm falling in love with white pepper lately. Then I'm going to add in some stock cubes, salt alone. because I'll still add in the meat stock which I got from the gizzard later on, so I do not want the taste to be overwhelming. Now I'm going to add in the gizzard first because it is quite tough. I'm going to add it into the pan with the sauce. Then I'm going to add in a bit of the gizzard stock into this so that it can start cooking the gizzard a bit, so that it can be a bit moist and not too dry. After about 2 minutes of cooking on medium heat, I'm going to add in the plantain at this point. Then I'm going to mix everything well to incorporate. Mind you, some people love their gizdodo very stewy, that's with enough sauce. You can do that, but I don't like too much sauce in gizdodo. Like it's not my thing. So I'm just going to add in the plantains, give it a thorough mix. Then I'm going to add in the colorful bell peppers and spring onion so that everything can be coming together nicely. Then once I add in the garnishing, that is the bell peppers and the spring onion, I'm going to go in with a bit of the gizzard stock. You can notice that I've not added in any other seasoning. Then I'm going to add in the meat stock at this point. Then I'm just going to mix everything well to combine, cover this up and allow this to complete the cooking for like 2 more minutes. Let everything incorporate well together. If you've been watching till this point, that means that you are enjoying this video and you would love to give me a subscribe, like and a comment and a share if possible. Share it to your WhatsApp, share it to your Facebook, wherever else you share it to, share it there so that people come and watch it from there. So that's basically how I make gizdodo, and it's usually really delicious, very very delicious actually. Gizdodo is not overrated, it's not overhyped. So I'm just going to serve this and enjoy. Mind you, you can make it stewy, more stewy if you want to have it with rice. How more? Guys, there's food in this world though. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Lastly guys, please do not be annoyed if this voiceover is not sounding professional as before. That's because I just rushed this voiceover and it is not like my other videos, and I just thought to make this edit this video and post so that my channel is not just dormant. So that's why this voiceover is not as professional as the other ones. Thank you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.